All right, I think we are about time. Sam, if you would like to, start sharing.
Yes, I think Panda's pretty strict about not having build files in here. So package.json and hardhat config, you'll probably have to remove for him to approve it. But yeah, I think that's
Yeah,
the only
we
one.
actually have it in both previous ones as well as we saw it's included in multiple others. So
Yeah.
that's why we kept it.
Okay. You'll just have to talk to Panda Pip about it then. Yeah, generally we like seeing the reference implementation be as small as possible. So like if you're pulling in a whole bunch of other packages and stuff, we'd like it to be simplified a little bit, but like, yeah, it's not actually a strict rule that you have to remove them. So yeah, just talk to Panda Pip and I'm sure you can agree on something.
Okay.
So you mentioned you have a question for another EIP. Has that been resolved or you would like to take it?
Yeah, it was just about 6059, so about the reviewer, but I think that we resolved that already.
Sounds good. Thank you. So Sam, I think I have been approached by a couple of other authors, but while they are joining, we can go by the list that we have here for looking into today.
All right. Okay, so let's take a look at 4834.
Okay. Okay, 4834. That's all good because I was wondering, like, should I move 1155 request, like the pull request number 57117 to the EIP meeting call? It looks like it is for a already final proposal.
Yeah, if Philip doesn't come by and approve this, like I reached out on Twitter to him, then yeah, we'll have to talk about it as editors. But it is a pretty small change, so
Sounds good.
yeah. Oh, I want to keep that one open. All right, this is Panda Pip EIP. So we're just going to make sure that all of the required sections are filled in here. Okay, good. Good. Yeah, so this seems fine. All right, so what do we got here? This is moving into last call. Good. Let's give this a read. Tree, Trevor Tree, 712. Okay. Country should publish the fields, values, and descriptive domain. This news application is to retrieve the description and generate appropriate domain separators in a general way, and thus integrate EIP 712 signatures securely. Scalable. Keep fishing, domain separator. All right. So you have to define a function. Okay. If it's not present, the figure is unspecified. All right, so this seems decently well written. Don't really notice anything. So it's not. Okay, so rationale section is kind of it's okay. So to achieve this, implementation. Cool. I think this is perfect. All right. Moving on to the next one.
Sam, we are joined by another author, and the pull request number is 5851.
5851. Welcome, by the way.
Hello, Sam.
All right, so I've looked at this one already. So it's merged. So why isn't this merging? Fail. Now, is this waiting on author approval, or are you an author? Yeah, so I think it's just waiting on approval from one of these two.
So I actually didn't find where to approve because it seems need the e-spot to give the review. And
Oh, this is a new EIP. Why isn't this merging? PandaPip approved it. So
Yeah, looks like it was supposed to be auto merged, but for some reason it is not auto merging.
when we
yeah,
check,
let me. It's weird. 5851. Yeah, so it hasn't.
no, it's haven't merging to draft.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it doesn't exist in master, right? Like.
So at the very end, there's like a notification about waiting report, code review required. And one pending.
Yeah. This is a bot problem. I will take a look at this. I think it might just be because you're the one making the PR and you aren't listed as an author in the EIP. That's probably the problem, but I don't know for sure.
So I think the author has created an issue on EIP GitHub repository mentioning the same issue that it needs to be auto merged and it is not. So
Yeah. Well, like I said, I think it's just because the author list here doesn't include the user who created the PR.
all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, truth is like our engineers before, and it need to be the right person to post a pull request. One of the author to do the PR.
Yeah, one of the authors needs to make the PR.
Okay, so
Yeah.
So probably two options, either one of the authors who are listed here or you being added as a author for making the PR.
okay, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure that'll be the problem. So if it still doesn't work, just give me a ping on Discord or whatever, and I'll take a look at it. But that should be the problem.
Okay, I see. So, thank you. We'll manage it from our side.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what's going on in this one? Okay, 5793. So your draft. Yeah, so it's just.
So 5793 is the next proposal to move it to review status if we want to do
Oh,
it.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
other way around, it's fine.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, are they tied together here? So 4938. Yeah, so they have like a circular dependency thing going on here. That's annoying. All right, let's check these by hand then. So 2464. So you're final. So that's good. 2481. 481. You are final, even better. And then 4938. 4938 is draft. Okay, so then 4938 is their APR for this one. That isn't, no. So why did this one get closed? Duplicate of. Ah, okay. So 4938 is still in draft, so this one can't be advanced.
So we have got three proposals here, 5793, 4938, and 4844 interdependent.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and I don't see any PR for 4938 to move into review status. So first we have to work on that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so that's an easy one. 5920. What do we got going on? Hey, it's introducing an opcode. What's the problem with this one? I hadn't reviewed this one before. Okay. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Pay opcode. Yeah, I think that's fine. 20. Are we skipping 6220?
Yeah, I think you mentioned that there are some instructions by Panda Peep that needs to be
Yeah.
adhered first.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
all right.
1753. What's going on here? Yeah, so this one's just, they probably haven't fixed the, yeah, they just haven't fixed these, so this is just going to sit here until they fix them. Okay, 73, 6122. Okay. So it's just some formatting problems that are wrong with this one. I assume.
Looks like there are some changes after light client's comment.
Yeah. Okay. So I think there's still just a few formatting type issues. So if we take author and description, we flip this, so it goes description and author. And then that one doesn't matter, that one doesn't matter, this one does. So security considerations. And then after test cases, goes here. Cool. So that is pretty much all that needs to be done on that one. Okay, alias count. Okay, so those two I've looked at before. I think they're doing okay.
Yeah, I think he incorporated all the changes that you have
Yeah,
suggested.
I think this one was fine. Let me just double check. Um, all right. And 6189. I guess this one needs to rerun now. But okay. All right. So what is this one? I don't remember this one. This is very new. Okay, so why didn't this merge?
It looks like it received some recent comments.
Um, okay, so should add this to the EIP IP meeting.
Six two six nine, right?
Yep, 6269.
Okay, I will add that.
Oh, thank you.
Sam, the author of 5851. It's been approved by the author, but it looks like it's still not matching. Link is in the chat. Yeah.
Yeah. So why didn't this merge?
你那边能关吗？汤一下。OK，那你关一下吧。Oh, sorry, I was talking.
Sorry, I can't really hear hear you. Your mic is pretty quiet.
John, can you please repeat if you were saying something?
Yeah, actually, we try to. Okay.
Yes, there is an approval from. So this should have worked.
So you just give approve.
Oh, it was like 6 minutes ago. Oh, okay. So you're adding a file in EIP 3475. Is that true? Yeah, so this file here isn't part of your EIP, so you can't add it. It has to be in your assets directory, not in the other one. 3475. Yeah.
Okay, so when we have the 3475, we cannot.
Yeah, you can't edit 3475's files in this PR. You'll have to do it in a separate one.
Okay.
Yeah. That's all that's blocking this one.
That's a very good catch. 3475 is already a final proposal. So yeah, you may have to make a new pull request to make any changes in that proposal.
Is this actually like a problem with 3475, or is this like an unintentional change?
Yeah, any of the authors? Yeah, please. Looks like there is a microphone issue. You is trying to connect. Yeah.
So do you think we just need to delete this 3475 folder totally?
Yeah, if you just don't change it in your PR, it'll be fine.
Okay.
So You think we should delete the EIC3475 PR?
Yeah, if you delete the files, it'll still count as a change. You just have to not change them. So like put them back to what they were originally.
Okay, so we deleted the new EIC3475 from the PR. And delete it.
Something like this.
Let's see. Mhm.
Oh, there's already an update here.
It's supposed to delete it already.
Okay. Oh, no.
View file. Refresh.
Yeah, so that looks like it just deleted the PR that, like, it looks like you deleted the, oh, okay, got another one here.
Yeah, this is 3475 file in the new PR.
Yeah, it'll be something like this. So, yeah. So that's how you can get the file back to the original state.
Check again. So you think the problems come from the changes on EIP 3475?
Yeah, definitely.
So basically, if we can manage to remove this from the new PR, then it's supposed to merge automatically.
Yeah, it should merge
Okay, I will
with
figure
Panda's
out
approval. Yeah.
I'll figure out a way to change it back to the previous version.
Yeah. I'll probably need to reapprove it because I think it removes approvals whenever you change it. But otherwise, it should work.
Okay.
Yeah,
And I think the last version should be fine. Refresh.
Oh yeah, so now the file's deleted, so that won't work either. You need to put it back to the way it was.
So how should I manage to do that? So maybe
So,
I can try the previous version.
Yeah, so if you here, I can give you the commands. Just give me 1 second here. Okay.
Maybe I can find the version already in the EIP and cover this with
So, this one, and then $34.75. Okay, so something like that, and then and then yeah, so it should look something like that. I can't guarantee that that's exactly correct, but those are the commands you should need roughly to get back to where you were.
Okay, so I think I will copy and paste on the version that we have right now. Give me some sec. We'll do a PR right away. I will update the PR.
Okay.
Pull request. Master.
I think this particular catch gives a very good message to all new EIP authors that do not try to put changes of 2 EIPs in one PR.
Yeah, it
Let's
makes
keep
things
them separate.
yeah, it makes things so much more difficult.
Mhm.
So I set it back to the previous version,
Okay.
and I will send again a PR.
Okay. Sounds good.
If the issue is not resolved today, you don't have to wait for another 2 weeks to get it resolved. You are welcome to mention that in Catador's Discord EIP editors channel. And
Okay.
yeah, that should be taken care from there.
Right. Doing another PR.
So if you do another PR, the number will be changed or the same?
Oh, in that case, if you are, if you can maybe close the original PR and create a new PR, that is one way of doing it. And you can refer back, like that should not be a problem. You can retain your old EIP number because that was valid with the earlier one.
Yeah, it'll be totally fine. If you need to make a new PR or something, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll be working on that one. So the idea is we should set back the 3005 as it was to be, and maybe do a new PR. If we can change the old PR, set it back to what it was to be.
Sure. Yeah, that should be
Okay.
fine.
So I will try to first get it back. Otherwise, I will close this one and do another PR.
Yeah, perfect. And just make sure you mention like the old PR and the new one, just so we remember where we were.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm working on that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, verify signatures from the signing entity is okay. Made by NFT, validating whether a signature made by an NFT. Okay. So this is
So see you. I will add to you later once it's finished.
perfect. Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
See ya. All right. Let's return. Okay, so why does this need to exist? Billions of ETH in trading volume. It's not a useful thing to say. This token standard is exploded and tremendous. Okay, each represent artworks. Cases require. Okay. Um, okay. Okay, so Okay, reference implementation. Okay. It's pretty decent. You just need a few fixes and then you're good to go. Okay, 6077. Let's take a peek at this one.
They both got very good EIP number 60, 66, 60, 77.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of discussion here. So why? So we are missing an EW. Definition, extraction percentage based. Okay. Yeah, so I think we just need to put a and that is my, professional opinion about what this EIP should do. 60, 77, 57, 48. Okay. Approval
Yeah.
expiration. I remember reading another one of these. Or is this
Looks
the
like
same
this is
one?
an old
Yeah.
one. It's just that they have made some changes as per your request.
Oh, perfect. So yeah, so I guess the only thing we need to do is figure out what this approve is. Has that been changed? No. All right. Move status to draft.
So for this one, I'm not clear what we are trying to achieve here. Just for some background, 1474 was allowed to go into stagnant status for some changes in the EIP process. And because this was interface EIP, they wanted to have it maintained somewhere else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure if he is a new champion trying to bring it back in action.
This is just a list of all of the. Yeah. Okay. So I think. Yeah.
We were joined by the author long ago in EIP meeting, and there we discussed that it should be maintained. This should be maintained somewhere else.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. But it's fine. I mean, yeah.
All right.
So the author is not present on the call, but he left a comment on the agenda that he would like this EIP to be, I mean, this proposal to be reviewed.
Yeah, I'll take a quick look at it here. So, did I have any like significant stuff here? I don't think so. Specification. All right, so nothing terrible about this one. So let's see what we got here. So, guard of entertainment extension 721 management role. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Do we allow just a plain name? Is that yeah, we do. Weird. I don't think I've ever seen somebody use just the plain name version.
Right. I mean, at least we should have something to reach them back, right? The ID or the email.
Yeah, I mean it's allowed, so I don't see a problem with it. It's just it's really weird. I guess it's just to give them credit.
Maybe. Yeah, I remember the criteria was we should have at least one email address and one GitHub. So because here we have more than one authors,
Yeah,
that could
exactly.
have been allowed. Yeah.
Okay. I'm getting a phone call, so I think I'm going to have to end today's call a little bit early. Sorry about that, but
Not a problem.
yeah, yeah. Take care. I'll talk to you all tomorrow, and then probably in 2 weeks. See ya.
Yeah. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for joining. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You too.
Thanks, Victor. See you tomorrow.